Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. It is National Ice Cream Month, and to celebrate, I'm going to share with y'all a vanilla ice cream recipe from scratch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, the bomb.com delicious, and the best part, it is no churn and no machine required. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it is perfect on a hot summer day. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And also check out my homemade butter pecan ice cream recipe and my previous video, blueberry crumble. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your loaf pan, your vanilla extract, and your whipped cream sugar, because we're about to make some vanilla ice cream magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our whipped cream over here in my large bowl of a stand mixer. And my bowl is nice and cold along with the whip attachment. Or you can use an electric hand mixer. Make sure you place your bowl and the beaters in the freezer. We're going to add in 2 cups, which is 1 pint of cold heavy whipping cream. And we're going to whip it until it reaches stiff white peaks. I'm going to start it on low so that way it won't splatter all over. Now I am going to increase the speed to high. Be careful not to over whip it. Alright, my friends, our whipped cream is done. See how nice and stiff that is? Beautiful white clouds. That looks great. Now we are going to set this aside while we work on our other ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in a 114-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Oh, I just love this stuff. So incredible. Into our sweetened condensed milk, we're going to add in a pinch of table salt. Next, we're going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of pure almond extract. And my friends, please don't skip this step. It's going to give it a nice oomph to it. A little goes a long way. And of course, you can't have vanilla ice cream without some vanilla. So we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, and last but not least, we're going to add in our whipped cream. And fold it in. And it smells so good. I can smell the vanilla and the almond extract. Alright, my friends, our ice cream filling is complete. How simple and easy was that? We are ready to pour it into our loaf pan. We are going to pour it in the 8x4 by 2 inch loaf pan, and it's nice and cold. Now I'm going to shake it and spread it evenly. That's the secret to great ice cream. Make sure your bowl, beaters, and pan is super cold. Now we are going to cover it with plastic wrap. Okie dokie, all we do is place it in the freezer. For a soft serve texture, let it chill for 6 hours. And for a firm texture, let it chill overnight. And that's how I'm going to do mine. So I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and I removed my plastic wrap. See how nice and firm it is? Excellent. And there you have it, my friends. Homemade, no churn vanilla ice cream. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my bowl right here and I added on some rainbow sprinkles, or you can add on some chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, a cherry, or you can just eat it plain. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Mmm. Creamy, decadent. I can taste the vanilla, and I love that little tiny hint of almond. So good and flavorful. This ice cream is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Vanilla ice cream licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.